Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AT&T Incorporated, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in AT&T Incorporated, start by researching the company thoroughly. Visit AT&T's official website and review their latest financial reports. Analyze their performance metrics, including earnings per share, revenue growth, and dividends. Check recent news about AT&T to stay updated on any major developments. Set up a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that suits your investment style. Complete the necessary paperwork to create your account. Fund your brokerage account with your preferred payment method. Once your account is funded, log into your brokerage platform. Search for AT&T Inc. Using its ticker symbol, T. Review the stock's current price and historical performance. Decide how many shares of AT&T you want to purchase. Consider your investment strategy. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Place a market order to buy AT&T shares at the current market price. Alternatively, place a limit order if you want to purchase shares at a specific price. Confirm your order and ensure it goes through successfully. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Stay informed about market trends and AT&T news that may affect your investment. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on your financial goals. Decide when to sell your shares, depending on market conditions and your investment plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.